Well, I was happy with my Nextbase DVR player for my car until I had an accident and I wanted to look back at the accident to see if I was at fault. And what's crazy is the accident happened on 9:35. By this time, 9:37, the accident already took place. And this time it's before it took place. So if I click onto this, hold on a second. If I click onto this, we can see it. All right. So that's 34. But 35 is the culprit where the accident happened. But if you go to 37, that opens up. And there's the vehicle that I ran into. So this is what happens when you go to the time of the accident, the actual impact. This is what we have. They're saying that the file is unsupported or corrupt. Here, let me get another one right here for you, because there's 435s. The file extension is incorrect or the file is corrupt. So that's the same thing I get for the 935. I got 4 935s because I got a front camera and a rear camera. So the Nextbase Dash Cam let me down big time. And I tried to use the actual program itself, and it's been importing that one video now for a half an hour. It's not going to happen. It's depressing because this is not a cheap dash cam, and you would expect a lot more. Big letdown, thumbs down. It's not going to work when you need it to work, unless there's a flying saucer flying in front of you, some horses that are doing cartwheels. Sure, it can record all of that, but when it comes to an impact, that's it. That's where it stops. All right, so there you have it, guys. That's my honest opinion.